Introducing the one, the only, Angry Red Rooster Hot Sauce. It's great. It's fantastic. Angry Red Rooster Hot Sauce goes great with a balanced breakfast. Full of antioxidants, it's the perfect way to start the day. Don't forget your vegetables. Here comes the airplane of deliciousness. Oh, yeah. Use Angry Red Rooster Hot Sauce to spruce up a bag of moldy leftovers. Yes, this meatloaf should do just fine. Just take out the bottle and coat it to your heart's content. Oh my gosh, that looks great. What's this? A loaf of Larry's life-giving bread? Well, let's just coat that up with sauce. Yeah! What am I doing with my life? It also works as an industrial-strength toilet bowl cleaner. Go ahead and take a listen to some of these positive customer reviews.
This product gave me cancer.
I put this product on my food and it made it taste like shit.
Angry Red Rooster Hot Sauce also works as a skin exfoliant, shampoo, and conditioner. Use it every other day for best results.
Oh God! Oh, it's in my eyes! Oh! Oh, the humanity! Oh! Oh! Oh!